Hello everyone, Brian here, and in today's video I will just show you some of the beginner's guide of Procreate app. So Procreate app is actually just available on the iPad or in Apple Store, so it's actually currently #1 as a graphic design tool, and it's very popular with digital arts. But it's not just limited to digital art. You can actually do some photo editing here. You can do collage and all that. Once you download it, you can just open it right there. So I'm already here in my Procreate. So the icon of Procreate is this one right here. Alright, so this is the gallery. This is where you can find all your previous artwork for your work previously and currently you're working. So it's gonna be automatically saved once you created one. So let's go in this part of the interface. So if you click this one, you can see the version you're in. On the other top right part of the screen, you can see the select pretty much that you want to select. You can see I did some kind of pattern in the past, so I could just group them just like that, and they're in a separate group. And you can rename them. Just click the name and you can rename as you wish. So just like that, and you're good to go. And if you want to ungroup it, you can just go back, select, do this one, and you click the pattern, the arrow right here, and you can just put it right there. So import is just importing some from your iPad or in the cloud Procreate file that you download from the internet. And then the photo right here, you can straight up access your gallery from your iPad, and you can just put it. And take note that when you do that, the dimension of the canvas will be based on the image itself. So just be careful on that one, because you don't want to do some effort and you realize that the canvas size was too small. On the plus icon right here, this is where you want to customize or you want to create your canvas. So to starter, I would recommend to just go with the screen size. Let's just take a look. So screen size is just the exact size of your iPad screen. Pinch it just like this. Yeah, you can just play around, but let's go back. Oh, there's a pretty much built-in canvas sizes in here. So like squares, especially this is for social media or Instagram post or any square canvas. You can also customize your canvas by clicking this plus sign again here. Dimensions or your units here. So I usually use inches. I do print, but you can do pixels as well, and all the units here. But I want to print it out, I usually go for 300 dpi. But if you want to just like a simple digital art, you could go 150, or you can also go for like if you're making like a web-based images, you could go 72. So the higher the DPI, it's actually the file size is a little bit larger. Higher DPI or larger canvas size, your layers, max layers will decrease significantly. So be careful on that. And yeah, your color profile, you have it here. So RGB is for screens. Just the difference is RGB has a larger color gamut or color range compared to CMYK. Well, depending on the printer or you have a specific printer, they usually tell you what type profile. So you can just select this one right here. I just should go with the generic CMYK profile unless I know. You can also use RGB for printing. Nowadays, printers just use RGB as well. I'm just gonna go cancel here, and I'm just gonna use screen size here. And here we go, we have our screen size here. We're gonna discuss this essential tools here on Procreate on the next video, so I'll see you there.